Hello crafty friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create a B6 2-pocket folder. Here I'm using a template. It is 10 inches wide and 6 3/4 in height. I'm going to add an extra 3.5 inches and this will be the flap for the folder. If you would like a template with the dimensions, just click below in the description box. Now I'm going to trim my paper. And next I will start scoring it. In this step you will fold the paper in half and score it. Place your paper on a scoring board and you will score the 3.5 inch you added to the bottom of that 6 3/4. Now you will cut at an angle towards the edge of that fold. And here are your flaps. I'm using score tape at the end of each side of the flap. I highly like score tape. It works well with the paper and it doesn't detach as you laminate it, so it is perfect. Next step will be to laminate the entire sheet. I'm using a 3mm laminating sheet. After I've laminated, I'm going to trim it down. Now for the final step to create the pocket, you will use an X-Acto or a craft blade. You would gently just go ahead and score and cut gently around the entire edge of that pocket. And your pocket folder is complete. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment below. Tell me what you think. Thanks for spending your time with me. Don't forget you can visit my Etsy shop and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Until next time, and God bless.